This projector is a serious contender for anyone looking to bring the cinematic experience home. The Samsung LPU7D series, also called the Premier, is a 120-inch class ultra-short throw 4K laser projector that turns a standard room into a massive home theater setup. Unlike traditional projectors, it doesn't require wall mounting or complicated placement. Just position it close to the wall, and it delivers a giant, bright image effortlessly. Its design is modern and minimal, with a low-profile build that fits neatly in most living spaces. You can leave it out without it feeling like an eyesore, and the premium finish reflects the high-end technology inside. It's both functional and stylish, a rare combination for home theater projectors. When it comes to image quality, this projector stands out. Samsung's 4K AI laser technology ensures clarity, color accuracy, and detail remains strong, even at a massive 120 inches. Vision Boost technology automatically adjusts brightness based on the ambient light, which means it works well whether your room is dim or moderately lit. The blacks are deep, highlights are punchy, and colors are vibrant without feeling oversaturated. Watching movies or sports is immersive, and dark scenes retain their depth without losing contrast. The smart features elevate this projector beyond simple display capabilities. Built-in AI and the gaming hub allow for cloud gaming, console streaming, and PC connections with minimal latency. Fast-paced games maintain responsiveness and accurate colors, making it a solid option for gamers who want a massive screen experience without lag. Audio is another area where this projector excels. The integrated speakers are surprisingly powerful and deliver clear, immersive sound for everyday viewing. While pairing with a soundbar or dedicated system can enhance the experience, the built-in setup is more than adequate for casual watching. Connectivity is comprehensive. Multiple HDMI and USB ports, wireless casting, and access to streaming apps make connecting devices simple. The AI functionality adjusts picture settings automatically for movies, gaming, or TV shows, ensuring the best possible experience without manual tweaking. Setup is straightforward. Being an ultra-short throw design, it avoids complicated ceiling mounts or projector screens. Place it near the wall, make small adjustments, and it's ready to deliver a massive 120-inch display. Samsung also includes calibration tools and a remote that simplify the process. In real-world use, this projector shines. Whether it's for movies, gaming, sports, or presentations, it consistently produces a cinematic, immersive experience. The combination of AI enhancements, Vision Boost, and 4K laser technology means images remain sharp, bright, and vibrant, regardless of lighting conditions. Samsung's 120-inch LPU7D, the Premier, is a premium home theater solution that balances design, performance, and convenience. It delivers a massive screen, excellent picture quality, smart functionality, and easy setup in one package. For anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment experience, this projector is a top-tier choice. For those interested, a purchase link is provided in the description.